Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Thursday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. Well, looking at today on Thursday, we have Chinese bank holiday, German bank holiday. So, those of you who trade Euro pairs, you know what to do. All right. So for USD today, 12:30 Ghana time, we are expecting unemployment claims. And looking at the data, we are expecting negative news. As previous was 218, we are expecting 222, which is negative. At 145, final service PMI, and we are expecting neutral. 2 o'clock ISM service PMI, we are expecting positive. All right, so these are the fundamentals we have ahead of us today. Now let's go back to the chart, and first of all, daily time frame. Now looking at daily time frame, you can see that the market has been in a range after it created this all-time high. That was on Thursday, a week today. The market went all the way to 2685. And from there, it came back to 2624. And now it has been ranging in between that levels. Right. So what is likely to happen today? You can see that on Monday or Tuesday, on Tuesday rather, we experienced a bullish engulfing after the market tested this demand zone right here. So yesterday, I was actually expecting a push to the upside, but if you look at what happened, you can see that the market still went back and closed as a pin bar. It couldn't even close above yesterday's the previous candle. It closed below the closing price of the previous candle. So to me, gold is indecisive. But looking at the overall trend, it is still bullish. All right, it's still bullish. So go to H4. What is happening in H4? Now, if you look at H4, you can see some form of head and shoulder pattern, whereby this is the neck, head, one shoulder, another shoulder. So expectation, gold flies according to H4. All right. And here is the neckline at 2673. So once 2673 is broken, gold to the moon. Right. So aside that, what again can we say about this market today? What can we say? Yeah. You can also see that we have some supports being formed right here. Major support at the shoulders. Right, at the shoulders. So let's observe what is going to happen once the neckline is broken. And if you look here, you can see some form of liquidity. Okay. Even though it doesn't really make sense in H4, but I'm sure when we go to H1, you are going to see it clearly. So fast forward, let me take you to H1. Good. If you look at H1, you can see what is happening. And we extend this trend line to this level. Okay, it works. Yeah. Yeah. So this is it. Okay. This is it. This is what we have. Now H1. So H1, I'll mark my zones like this. Right. We'll mark here. Also, this is the trend line, which is liquidity area. So once this trend line is broken to the upside, we are going to get something like this. So once this level is broken together with this trend line, we are going to take a long position, right? We are going to take a long position like something like this, all the way to somewhere 2700. Then the stop loss will be just somewhere, something like this, right? Yeah. But since the market has not done that yet, we can't really say much. So all we have to do is to wait and see what is going to happen. All right. Either the market will come back to this level before it pushes up, or it will go forward and break here and keep flying. We don't know yet, so we just have to wait. Okay? We just have to wait and see to the end. Now, if you look here, what is happening? 30 minutes time frame. So if you look at 30 minutes, you can get this trend line right here. Yep. So this is an X setup right there. Yeah. So this is a trend line from the bottom, a trend line from above. So let's wait patiently. Once the top trend line break and retest, we are longing. Okay, we are longing. So guys, just sit back and relax, and let's see to the end of today's trade. If it breaks this trend line to the downside, you can take a short. But if I want to sell, I will wait for a breakout here first before I can sell gold all the way to the bottom. Right. Yeah, so if and else, if gold breaks the support, then we can sell all the way to the next support level. And if breaks to the upside, we will still take a long all the way to the upside. Right. So something like this for the market to push high, or we are going to experience something like this for a push the downside. Right. So guys, this is all I see today about the gold market. All we need is patience. Let's watch and see to the end of today's session. All right. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I will see you in the next video, and have a nice day. Remember, tomorrow is NFP. We are going to trade live during NFP. Have a nice day.